Hi friends and welcome to Viktors Reality. Today I have another AORUS FV43U 4K monitor video showing off here my settings. Thanks for keeping me company on this video, as I will be talking about a couple of things here on the channel while I show off Marvel vs. Capcom retro gameplay. And I'll just be playing this game and just talking a little bit about it, as I make many videos and just wanted to bring you here with this Super Resolution 1 feature that does make the image crystal clear. In other words, clearer, making low-res content look a lot better. Of course, this is retro gameplay, and there is only so much you can do with low-res content, but on 43 inches, you can see the image is a 4:3. It looks amazing. I'm not showing here black levels, I'm just showing here the colors and the speed. You can see everything as clear as it can be. Super Resolution 1, as any more, to me, just increases it too much artificially. And if you have it on 0, you can't tell the difference. But we will get to many versus videos in the future with Super Resolution on 0 versus 1, so you can see the difference. But the Gigabyte M28U and AORUS FV43U, any Gigabyte or AORUS monitors will have that Super Resolution feature on option in the menu. So that is something that I really didn't think I would like or use, but I do use it, and I just leave it on 1 and leave it at that. It adds sharpness even to 4K images. Now you could just say it's a regular sharpness tool, right? But it looks really good to me. Why not have it on? But again, if you want a natural, more regular picture, just disable it. But it's awesome to have the option. That's the whole point. All these monitors should have many options. For many people to have their options, to have to decide if they want it or not. The ED-ID on many Dell monitors can't accept signals, meaning they should have a wide array of signal acceptance and features, or improve on features like sRGB mode. You can have it and it could be unusable if it's trash, right? So you want to make sure that they have the features and that they have really good settings, and the features that they do have, that is actually usable, not just a gimmick and they just pop it in there. But showing here at an angle, the AORUS FV43U HDR 1000 quantum dot 144Hz monitor with 97% of DCI-P3 color coverage brings you a wide range of color, especially with the VA contrast that you know will destroy any IPS on the market today. I really didn't think I was going to be able to play on a 43-inch monitor, but man, this thing is beautiful. I do have a 23-inch IKEA desk, and I have it all the way to the back, and I do have to sit about 3 to 4 feet, maybe even 5 feet away from the monitor because it's so bright, but everything is crystal clear. I really play a lot of Civilization 5. It's an older game, but there is a lot of scrolling, and I have no issues whatsoever with the quality of this VA panel. I mean, my Dell S3220 DGF is a mid-tier, I would say, panel, but had no problems on that either. When I'm playing my game, I get immersed in it, and I have no issues. But you can tell the difference between a 90% DCI-P3 versus a 97% DCI-P3 panel like this one. You can tell the difference. I'm saying that again. There is a noticeable visual difference in color volume. This monitor, as I've just used the Gigabyte M28U panel, this quantum dot panel has way more color. I have to put digital vibrance on the actual monitor's menu in the Gigabyte M28U to 11 or 12, but at 12, you're at the limits, meaning anything higher than that, the monitor looks to me to be struggling to produce any more color. Now, it looks really good, and there is no issue. But when you see the actual fullness of color here with this 97% plus VA versus IPS is a whole nother story. With this VA in combination with the 97% versus the IPS's 90%. Or 94 if you want to call it that, which Gigabyte calls it. But if it's the same Innolux panel as the new G7 28-inch 4K, it seems to be a 90% DCI-P3, so I don't know if it's just software-based what they're trying to do and just call it 94%, but we will do many versus videos versus that new Samsung G7 28-inch 4K monitor to compare it. But gimmick or not, you can see 90% versus 97%, and it just makes it even more obvious when it's an IPS versus VA. So that's something to check out in the future, but this AORUS FV43U panel is amazing, no complaints whatsoever. Of course, no panel is perfect, and we will get to future videos where I can show you the difference of a couple of things that are, I guess we gotta deal with, but this FV43U is my main entertainment PC monitor right now, as just 43 inches is blowing my mind, and it's just so immersive. The Samsung Odyssey G7's 1000R curve, it's really cool to experience that. But to see 4K at 43 inches on PC with this so much color and VA contrast, and the panel, without me testing it yet, looks really good and fast enough for me and my gaming, it's a winner. And I think it's something you should be checking out because this monitor does surprise. And it will surprise you when you compare it to other monitors. So thanks for watching, friends. Thanks for keeping me company on this video. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on a future AORUS FV43U 4K Quantum Dot HDMI 2.1 monitor. I'll see you guys next time.
Marvelous! Danger! You win! Magneto! Ready! Fight! Danger! Maximum level!
The spider stings.
Wonderful! Level 2! Maximum level! Marvelous! Fantastic! Level 2! Danger! KO! Spider-Man,
One for
win!
JJ.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Game over. Danger! KO! You win! Magneto! Ready! Fight!